The Ninja CREAMi has 6 one-touch programs. There's the ice cream function that processes your base into unbelievably creamy ice cream. The Sorbet function is perfect for an easy, sweet treat. You can transform a can of your favorite fruit into a delicious sorbet in seconds. The light ice cream function can be used if you're looking for a better-for-you ice cream option made with less sugar. Use the milkshake function to create perfectly thick and drinkable chocolate and strawberry milkshakes. Gelato, which will create a smooth and decadent gelato. I love the rich texture of the gelato. It never fails to satisfy our family's sweet tooth. This machine, by the way, goes beyond dessert. Use the Smoothie Bowl function to process fruits and veggies and create delicious smoothie bowls. My daughter loves to make smoothie bowls in the morning, and this is gonna be her favorite new thing. I like to top mine with fruits and granola and more.